it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an updated version of how I like to wear my twist as a protective style versus doing a twist out. I do have a video on this already and so many of you have loved that video, so I thought I would share with you my updated version. First, I'm going to separate my hair into quadrants, and I'm going to do this how I'm going to wear my hair. So in the front of my hair, I like to part an off center because I don't like to wear a straight part down the middle. But in the back, I am going to change it because I'm going to part horizontally, of course. But in the front, I want to make sure that the part is nice and clean. This is really important. You want to make sure that your parts are nice and clean. They don't have to be 100% perfect, but strive to make them nice and clean and straight. And then I'm going to twist the section of hair up, and I'm going to continue to do this on the rest of my hair. Next, I'm making another part for the second section, and I like to do this starting from the first part, so it looks like there's just a part going straight across and it's nice and clean and neat. This is exactly why I part my hair like this in 4 sections. It just really makes it nice and easy for me to manage and really to take control over my hair, especially when I am styling it. Now that I have my 4 sections, I'm going to add some moisture in my hair. I'm going to take my spray bottle and add some water. This is the Essentia brand and I absolutely love it. This is what I drink and apply on my hair. Next, I'm going to add some vegetable glycerin in the water. This is going to help moisturize your hair. I do have a video on how to make your own moisturizer, and an ingredient that I did use was aloe vera juice, and I do understand that some of you cannot use aloe vera juice, so vegetable glycerin would be a really good alternative. I'm just going to mist this in my hair really good, making sure that my curls are clumping together. Because my hair is very thick and dense, I do find a lot of times that I do have to part it in half just to make sure that it does penetrate in my hair the way I want. Next, I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner, and this is by Shea Moisture. It is their Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Leave-in Conditioner, and I absolutely love it. I'm also going to add some avocado oil, and I also love avocado oil. It has a nice consistency. It really helps to keep that moisture in my hair, and especially because I'm doing twist as a protective style for the long term, I really need my hair to be nice and moisturized starting from day 1, and this really helps. Next, I'm going to use this wide tooth comb. Make sure that this section of hair is nice and detangled. I want to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth, there's no tangles, because this is really going to help with the styling process. Also, this really helps to make sure that the products are penetrating into my hair, and this is exactly what I need, especially when doing a style like this. Next, I am going to twist my hair to make sure that the moisture stays in my hair, and I'm using my favorite Rattail Comb. It does not pull my hair out. Rather, it really helps to smooth the products in my hair and also helps to keep my hair nice and smooth. So this is why I'm constantly using this Rattail Comb to smooth my hair, make sure it's tangle free, to really get the products worked in my hair really well. And I'm going to continue to do the same process all over my hair. So I really want to make sure that it has a lot of moisture. It has that leave-in conditioner to help nourish and condition my hair further. Also, the avocado oil, it has so many great benefits like vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in it, and this is why avocado oil is one of my favorite oils to use on my hair. And I'm going to add my styler in just a bit, but this is an excellent way to prep your hair for long-term styles. I just really love the way my hair feels, and it's able to retain moisture so much better this way of layering products on my hair. As I said, this process is very easy. It is tedious, but your hair will thank you in the long run. Also, I wanted to note that I do wet style my hair, so I don't use a blow dryer or heat on my hair like direct heat. When I style my hair, I always wet style and I let my hair dry, and then I unravel it the next day. So this is how I'm always doing my hair. I feel like adding unnecessary heat is just something that I don't want to do, but make sure that you do add water to your hair. You can also have a mixture that you can add aloe vera juice or vegetable glycerin and oil if you don't want to layer products like I do, but just make sure that your hair is nice and moisturized and you seal that moisture in your hair. Also, twisting really helps to retain that moisture, and also make sure that you do comb your hair, that you smooth the products in. You really want all of your products and everything that you're doing to work the best for you. And here are my juicy twists. One of my favorite stylers to use is this Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Lock and Braid Butter, but it was running out, so I used the TGIN Twist and Define Cream. I really love it. It has vitamin E and coconut oil in it, and both work really good in my hair. So you can see my hair is still moisturized, which is why I love applying the products in layers and twisting my hair, because it looks really good. I'm going to start in the front of my hair just because I think it's better to explain and you could see what I'm doing in the front, and then I'm going to show you how I twist my hair in the back. So my hair is still moisturized, and I just really love the way it looks and feels, and my styles come out so much better. I'm going to take the wrap ends of this comb, and this is why I really like using this comb, because I get really crisp parts using this comb. I'm going to put a little bit of the Twist and Define cream in my hair. Also, I'm using this Edge Control by Ebin. I really like it. I've been using it for the past few weeks, and I just really like the way it smooths my edges down, especially in the front of my hair. I just want to keep it nice and tame, because I have said so many times I've been going to the gym for this past month, and I really need the front of my hair to look nice and smooth. So I do put some edge control on my hair just to tame my edges so it looks really nice and fresh. I like the way that this looks, and I'm going to continue to do it. Now to show you how I twist my hair, I'm just applying a good amount of the Twist and Define cream to this section of hair. I really want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to part a section, so how big or small the sections are going to be up to you. I like mid-sized sections. Sometimes if I'm going for twist for maybe a week or longer, I make sure that they're nice and small. But to twist my hair, I'm going to take two parts. So think of it section A, section B. I'm going to twist section B around section A, then twist section A around section B, and I'm continuing this process. And by the way, I'm holding my hair between my thumb, my pointer, and my middle finger, just twisting off. So I'm just twisting the two strands around each other really firmly. So like I always say, twist with purpose. Any style that you do it with purpose. So you see that I'm twisting my hair tightly, snug, not too snug where I'm gonna rip my hair out, but I'm making sure that I wrap section B over section A over section B. Continue this pattern all the way down the length of my hair. And also I like to comb my hair with my favorite Rattail comb just to make sure that my hair stays nice and smooth. So no matter what style you're doing, if it's a twist out and you're just twisting your hair and then once it dries you unravel it, make sure that your hair is nice and smooth. If you're doing a perm rat out, same thing. If you're doing a flexi rat out, same thing. Braid out, same thing. Any style you do, make sure that your hair stays nice and smooth. So you see, I'm twisting it. Taking section B, wrapping over section A, taking section A over B, B over A over B. And I continue this process all the way down the length of my hair, and I make sure that my hair is nice and snug. I'm not letting go of my hair. I'm making sure that I keep it in my hands, between my fingers, making sure that I'm twisting nice and snug. Like I said, do your styles with purpose. Twist with purpose. Once I finish twisting my hair all the way down, I like to twirl the ends just to make sure that they stay nice and secure. Now let's rewind. I'm going to show you how I do my hair in the back, because I like to work back to front always. I'm going to part a nice section of hair. Typically I use my pointer finger and my middle finger as a guide to how tall my section should be. And like I said before, I like medium-sized twists. Typically I don't part any bigger or smaller than this when I'm wearing them as a protective style, unless I really want it to last over a week. But I'm going to part my hair again, and I typically part about 1 inch to 2 inches wide. This is going to help me create the look that I like. After smoothing in the Twist and Define cream, I could feel that there wasn't enough hair in this section, so I just added a little bit more just to make sure that I had enough hair like I like. I'm going to smooth my hair with the Rattail Comb, and then I'm going to separate my hair into two pieces. Again, I'm taking section B, wrapping over section A over section B, and I'm doing this in a strategic motion to where I'm twisting with purpose. That is really going to help. I do comb my hair midway through. Anywhere that I feel that my hair is not as smooth as I want, I continue this all the way down the length of my hair, and then I just twirl the ends to make sure that they do stay nice and secure. Continuing this process, making sure that after I parted my hair for this section, for my twist, I'm going to apply a good amount of the Twist and Define cream to each section. Also, sometimes I do apply the Twist and Define cream in that one whole row, but sometimes I do feel like I need to add just a little bit more. If you feel like you need to add a little bit more product, then do that. And then I'm going to smooth the product in with the Rattail Comb and making sure that my hair is nice and smooth. But when I twist my hair from the middle, I make sure that I do it at that position, or I don't change the angle of my hair, but I make sure that it's nice and straight, and then twist my hair about 4 or 5 rounds, and then I will twist my hair at an angle. I just want to make sure that my hair stays nice and tight, especially at the root, because it's going to help the way that it looks overall. I'm going to continue twisting my hair, and like I said before, I like to use my pointer finger and middle finger as a guide to how tall my part should be.
Some time, can't stop staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes.
Now that all of my hair is done, I'm really happy and I'm ready to go to bed. Here's how it looks, and the white residue is going to dry clear. I know many of you have asked me that, but I already know the white residue is going to dry clear. I also like to tie my scarf at night, especially around my edges, making sure that they do stay nice and smooth. And typically, if I want my hair to dry the next day, this is how I wear my hair. I just put my scarf over and I just go right to sleep. So the next day, here is how my hair looks. It looks so good. I do have a blue bobby pin in my hair. That's what that is, just to put my hair back while I was doing my makeup. But I really love the way it looks. I am going to add some moisture to my hair. I just wanted to show you what it looks like the next day. And to moisturize my hair, I'm just going to take the same water and vegetable glycerin mixture and mist it all over my hair, on my scalp, and especially the ends of my hair. I want to make sure that they stay nice and moisturized. Now, to help seal in the moisture on my scalp, I'm going to use Earth's Nectar, jojoba, and tea tree scalp oil and just spray all over my scalp in the parts. And I'm going to press the oil in to help it absorb. And for my twist, I'm going to use this Desert Essence jojoba oil and just press right on my twist using the praying hands method, because I want this oil to absorb in my hair, just making sure that it stays nice and moisturized. So this is a method that I like to do about every other day to every other 2 days, just so that my hair stays thriving. And especially if I decide to wear this twist style about a week and a half or longer, I definitely want to make sure that my hair stays nice and moisturized. But because, like I said, I have been going to the gym, I have been washing my hair a little bit more, I am going to add these jewels to my hair just because I wanted to jazz the style up a little bit. I did get these from the beauty supply store, so I don't have a link. I will look for it in the description box or something similar. And I'm also going to add these gold gems. I thought that adding all of this, it just made the style look really pretty. Of course, you don't have to do this. This is just what I decided to do, because typically I'm always wearing my hair in twists without any decorations, but this time I decided to add a little bit of jazz to it. And I also styled my edges using the same edge control, and here's the finished look. I love how moisturized and soft and healthy my hair looks and feels. I just love wearing my hair like this in a protective style or low manipulation style, because my hair in a sense is definitely protected. I'm not going to put my hands in it. It's also going to grow this way because I'm just letting my hair be. Sometimes you just have to leave it as is. I'm going to the gym and I'm doing a lot, so I don't have time to really worry about my hair and style it all the time. So I love styles like this. I really hope that you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!